Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to prevent end users of the website from deactivating the plugins? We all have a list of must-have plugins that we want to install on our websites, and that's why as a developer sometimes we don't want the clients to mistakenly delete those plugins or deactivate them, because that might impact your website and it will break the website in some cases, or in some cases that will remove some functionality of your website. So if you want to prevent the users from deactivating their plugins and still you want to give them the admin access, then what you need to do is you just need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto plugins and then click on add new. Then in the search box, search for disable plugin deactivation. So this is a unique plugin which allows you to control who can disable a plugin and who cannot. Now once it's installed, click on activated. Now as you can see that this plugin is activated. Now to configure its settings, hover onto the plugin and then click on plugin deactivation settings. Now on this page you can find a few settings available for the same. The first setting is to enable or disable the disable plugin deactivation setting. So select this enable option from the drop down menu list. Now you can also disable plugin activation, which will stop users from activating any other plugin. This is optional. You can also turn off the plugin deletion and prevent users from installing plugin updates. All of these things can be controlled using this plugin. Now, you should never disable plugin updates on client sites. This would compromise WordPress security and make your clients vulnerable to security threats. So that's why avoid doing that option, but make sure you have done settings in such a way that they cannot delete or deactivate a plugin. Now click on save changes. Now let's move to our install plugins page to check the changes. As the page gets loaded, you can see that we cannot find the deactivation link below in any of these plugins. So this plugin simply removes the deactivation link of any plugin. Now this is how easy it is to disable plugin deactivation from WordPress Admin Panel. Now if you want to get those features back, so you can go to your file manager of your website from cPanel, and then in the plugin installation folder, just delete this folder of plugin deactivation plugin. So that will reverse all the changes. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.